Hi everyone, Sam here from the Genuine Futures family. I'm here today at Bradkins Commercials, the #1 one-stop shop for vehicle conversions. Just look at all these here, look at all these vehicles here. There's so many trucks here, so many. So no better place. We've been recommended by Terry from the Scrappers. We're truly grateful for the Scrappers, what they've done for us and what they've done for the young people. We're really, truly grateful. But we brought our van. Our van's going to be going out shortly in the community. In the next 2 or 3 weeks, going to be going cleaning the bins. We're going to do some jet washing, driveways, patios. We're going to really take young people into the community with this youth-led enterprise. This is our second enterprise in 6 months. We created We Shine Any Car. We pre-launched in September last year. 6 months later, we're now launching our bin cleaning service. So this vehicle is going to be fitted out here by Bradkins Commercials with our volunteer Ashley, and some of our young people are going to be helping to kit this out. But we just want to say thank you very much to Bradkins. You know, as you can see, they're a Bolton business. Shawnee Bradkin is a Boltoner through and through, just like myself. We want to reach out to the rest of the Bolton community. Get involved in what we're doing. We're bridging the gap to opportunity, helping young people to develop those key life skills, employment skills, but also Bolton, unfortunately, has the highest number of neat young people, not in education, employment and training. So many young people are falling through the cracks. So many young people are getting involved in gangs and crime. There's 46,000 young people involved in county lines, drug dealing. Something needs to happen. Genuine Futures is bridging the gap. We're looking to work with more businesses, whether sponsoring a young person, helping us in any way where we can come and wash your fleet of vehicles, wash your bins even. So please get in touch with us. If you like this content, please like, comment and share. It helps us to get and reach more people. We really need people to come together now to build a brighter future for the next generation. Like, comment and share. We'll be truly grateful. Visit us at genuinefutures.co.uk to find out more. Thank you, and we'll give you an update on the van once we start getting it going. So thank you very much. Have a great day.
In the heart of Bolton, where dreams ignite, young voices rising, reaching for